Simple and general questions. So let's start with question number 8. Marigold Limited was registered with the authorized capital of rupees 3 lakh divided into 3000 shares of rupees 100 each, which were offered to the public. Amount payable as 30 per share on application. Okay, so we start with question number 8. Amount payable on application 30 shares. On application 30 rupees. 40 per share on allotment. On allotment 40 rupees per share and rupees 30 per share on first and final call. First and final call rupees 30 per share. In this manner 100 rupees company is collecting and company offered to the public 3000 shares. 3000 shares company offered to the public. In this question, what is required? These shares are fully subscribed. Fully subscribed means all shares are taken by the public and all money was received. Prepare journal and cash book. Children, when cash book is prepared, the entries related to bank is not recorded. It is recorded in cash book. Other than cash receiving entry, all entries are recorded in journal book. Okay, so first I will prepare cash book. And when cash will receive, 30 rupees will receive for application at the time of application. So 3 3 9. So 90,000 is received during application. So whenever cash received, we record in debit side. 2 share application. Let me see which share it is. It is not mentioned, so I will directly write 2 share application. I hope this point is clear to everyone. Children, you can easily prepare cash book in the examination. You can see whenever cash received. So 3000 into 30, 90,000 company has received for application. So at the time of application, 90,000 is recorded in the debit side. So any transaction which is recorded in the cash book now, there is no need to pass journal entry for this. This is what you need to remember. Now at the time of allotment, how much is to be received? 40 rupees. So 3000 into 40, 2 share allotment. 3 4 are 12. So 1,20,000 is received at the time of allotment. Now we do not pass entry for money received on allotment because it is recorded in the cash book. Now during first and final call again, the 30 rupees has been received. So what we write? To share first and final call. To share first and final call. 30,000 into 3,000. So 90,000 is received. Is that clear to everyone? 9 to 18. Okay, and 120. So 3 lakh. Where it is transferred? By balance carried down. By balance carried down 3 lakh. I hope it is clear. The questions related to cash book has already been come in the final examination. So it is very important for everyone to understand that how do we prepare cash book. It is very simple. When we receive money, we record in debit side. Okay. So this is cash book. Now we need to pass journal entry also. So other than cash, all journal entries are recorded. So first entry we record for application. Bank account debit to share application will not come because money has been recorded here, 90,000. So then second entry will come. What will be the second entry? Share application account debit to share capital. Is that clear? How much? 90,000 is to be transferred. So 90,000 we are transferring. Being share application money being share application money transferred to share capital account. Transferred to share capital account. I hope this entry is clear. We have not written the first entry bank account debit to share application because already
Yes,
it is
yes,
recorded in cash book. This point is clear to everyone. I hope it is clear. Now second entry what
yes.
we pass? Share allotment account debit to share capital for money due. Okay. So share allotment account debit to share capital. How much? 1,20,000, isn't it? So 1,20,000 being allotment money received, sorry, due. We have not received. Being allotment money is due. Now when this money has been received now, it is recorded in the cash book to share allotment. So that's why entry will not be required because it is already written in cash book. Then third entry we pass for first and final call. Share first and final call. Share first and final call account debit to share capital. It is 90,000. 90,000. Okay. Being share allotment, share first call money due. Share first and final call money is due. So in this question, you have seen that we have not passed all the entries. The entries which are required to record cash is recorded in the cash book. So that's why when cash book is prepared, these entries are not required. Other than cash, all entries we record in this manner. I hope this question is clear to everyone.